Hello and welcome. I am Dr. S.M. Raju and today I am excited to introduce you to Neo Ayurveda Miracle Drinks Treatment Protocol, a powerful approach that combines the wisdom of traditional Ayurveda with modern medical principles. This transformative system offers a holistic solution, especially for cancer treatment, providing hopes for chronic conditions where conventional medicine often falls short. What is Neo Ayurveda? Neo Ayurveda takes a modern approach to treatment, integrating standardized protocols and avoiding the use of metals or specific dosha treatments. The central idea is simple but profound. Food is a medicine, and healing happens at the cellular level using prebiotic principles that stimulate regeneration in capillaries and microcapillaries. This unique method has shown success in treating conditions like chronic kidney disease, liver cirrhosis, pancreatitis, and uncontrolled diabetes. But today, I want to focus on its impact on cancer. My journey into Neo Ayurveda began in 1981 after battling rheumatoid arthritis. Over the years, I successfully treated myself, helped my father overcome kidney failure, and even supported my son through AML, a form of blood cancer, that is acute myeloid leukemia. This journey fueled my passion to find solutions where conventional treatments often fail. The launch of Neo Ayurveda in 2016 with the encouragement of Honorable Union Minister Shri Shripad Yesso Naik, Neo Ayurveda was officially launched at the Constitutional Club supported by government funding. This event marked the beginning of this revolutionary approach to healthcare, bringing India's ancient wisdom to the global stage. Let's talk about cancer, particularly end-stage cancers, where traditional medicine often claims that no further treatment is available. Here, Neo Ayurveda has made a profound difference. Patients with multiple myeloma, liver cancer, breast cancer, colon cancer, and blood cancer like AML, APL, and all have shown significant improvement even in case where metastasis has occurred. How does Neo Ayurveda help in cancer? Number one, immune modulation. Neo Ayurveda enhances the body's immune system, helping it identify and destroy cancer cells that conventional treatment may have missed. Second one, tumor inhibition and apoptosis. The herbal formulations help slow down tumor growth and induce apoptosis, encouraging the body to eliminate damaged or cancerous cells naturally. Heat shock proteins, that is the HSP60, helps fold proteins correctly inside cells, maintaining their health. During cancer, this protein's function is often disrupted, leading to cellular damage and mutation by restoring HSP60. Neo Ayurveda can help prevent cancer progression and promote healthy cells function. Fourth point is anti-inflammatory effects. Neo Ayurveda's formulations reduce the systemic inflammation often present in cancer, limiting the tumor's ability to grow and spread. Success rate of Neo Ayurveda in cancer. Our findings shows that 50 to 60% of cancer patients experience a significant relief with Neo Ayurveda. For chronic conditions like CKD, liver cirrhosis, and diabetes, 80 to 90% of patients shows visible improvements. Neo Ayurveda offers a transformative approach to cancer treatment, especially for those in end stages where conventional medicine has no further solutions. By combining modern medicine with Ayurveda wisdom, we offer hope and healing at the cellular level. I encourage you to explore the potential of Neo Ayurveda, a holistic solution for those battling cancer and chronic illness. Let us embrace the healing power of Ayurveda and make it a part of our global wellness journey. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insights on health and wellness with Neo Ayurveda.